Hi, MoonDAO citizens. I'm Anastasia. I'm also a MoonDAO citizen. And a few months ago, I proposed a project to unite Unity Foundation and MoonDAO and go to Brazil to help kids with cancer. And we did it. It's our last day here in Brazil, and it's been amazing. Iguaçu, our final destination. I'm so happy I could bring this project to MoonDAO and to Unity. And the project is our rocket project in Brazil, and it's successful. Thank you, everyone.
Join MoonDAO to make space for everyone.